Hi, good afternoon. It's Wednesday, June 10th, and I'm a little upset about something. When you have what you need, more shows up, right? When you don't have what you need, you have an overflow of what? More. Now, if you can do for yourself, and somebody else can't do for themselves, but they're trying their best, and you outdo them, what do they try to do? Outdo you. But you weren't trying to outdo them. You were doing your very best flawlessly, and they were overcompensating, yet failing short. What does that mean? Always do your best with the minimal amount of effort.